children, welcome to the online classes. In our last class we discussed about our school. What I told to you, Rahul and his sister Neena, they went to school which is there in their neighborhood. So what is there in the school? Why do we go to school? We go to school to learn, to read and to write. Okay, then we also learn sharing things with others. In school we learn to share the things with others. We share our things with our friends will share the things with us. We learn so many things from the teachers and from our classmates also. You learn some things from your classmates, your classmates will learn things with you. Okay, then we sit and study in the classrooms. Where do you people will sit? You will sit in the classrooms. The school has many classrooms. So in our school there will be so many classrooms. So places in the school. What all the places will be there in the school? Here in Rahul and his sister's school, there are so many rooms. What all the rooms are there which we have discussed? The school is very airy and it has many places and rooms. So it is very airy means it is having lot of ventilation. It is having lot of ventilation and it have a big place with lot of rooms. It is having an assembly hall where in the morning children will gather in the assembly hall and they will do the prayers. Then we have classrooms. All the children will go to their, after assembly they will go to their own classes and they will sit in the class. They will draw, sing, they will draw in the read, write, draw and do the sums in their classes. See here, we can see small benches and chairs for everyone. So one independent benches and chairs are available. There is a blackboard and teacher write it on a blackboard. Then we have a library. In library we can read. There will be lot of books. Many books will be there in the library. We can sit in the library and read the books, or even we can take the books. We can borrow the books from the library. Then whenever we are sitting in a library, we should be very quiet and we should not disturb the others. Okay, then we have a playground where we can find many different games like basketball, tennis, slide, and different games can be played. And we have an art and craft room where we can draw, paint and do different crafts. Then we have a music room where we can sit and play the different instruments, learn how to play the different instruments. We can sing and dance in the music room. Then we have a computer room. In computer room we can find many computers. We can operate, we can learn the computer, we can do some work on the computer. Then we have a medical room. If anybody gets hurt, we can go into the medical room. We can take the first aid from the medical room. Then we have a staff room where the teachers do their work and take rest in the staff room. Then we have a canteen. In canteen we can find different food items and cold drinks and juices we can buy and eat in the canteen. Okay, we can go and have our lunch in the canteen. We can buy different things from the canteen. All these things we have discussed in our earlier class about our school. Then what we have today? We have some textbook exercises. So let us write that. Fill in the blanks. What is an A bit? Fill in the blanks. The name of my school is. What is your school name? The Mastermind School. The MASTERMINDS. The Mastermind School. The Mastermind School. What is your school name? The Mastermind School. My class teacher's name is. Your class teacher name is what? Right here. Now this year you don't have any class teacher. I am teaching you. So write my name Santoshini. 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 There are dash children in my class. So, how many children are there in your class? 25. There are dash playgrounds in my school. There are only our cellar. We go and play in our cellar only one. Okay. Do you have the following rooms in your school? Put a tick or cross. So, do we have a classrooms in our school? Yes. Do we have a music room? Yes. Do we have toilets? Yes. Do we have a library? Yes. Do we have a dance room? Yes. Do we have an office? Yes. Do we have a canteen? No. Do we have a bookshop? No. Do we have a staff room? Yes. Okay. All these rooms we have in our school. Then next, go to page number 67. Complete the following paragraph with the words given in the box. So here some words are given. These words you have to write in the blanks. Okay. Neena and dash. Neena and who went to the school? Neena and Rahul. R-A-H-U-L. Rahul. Neena and Rahul go to school. Where did they go? Went to school. In school they learn to read and write. What they will learn? Read and write. They learn to share things. They learn to share things with each other. They learn all these things from whom? From classmates and teachers. From whom they will learn? From classmates. CLASSMATES. Classmates and teachers. Okay. Neena and Rahul go to school. In school, they learn to read and write. They learn to share things with others. They learn all these things from their classmates and teachers. Okay. Then we have think tank. Ranveer's school has many floors. One day, Sangeeta wanted to go to the top floor and see the view from there. Ranveer asked her not to do so. Can you say why? Can you say? So, think about this and post your answers. Okay. Then nice fish. Ranveer wants to keep his school clean. What can he do? What you have to do to keep our school clean? We have to throw all the things in the dustbin like papers, pencil sharpening in the dustbin, not here and there in the classroom. And then while eating, we have to use napkins. And after eating, we have to throw the eatables, whatever is there, directly into the dustbin. And we should maintain our school very neat and clean so that we will also be strong and healthy. Okay. So that's all for today. We'll meet in our next class. Have a good day.